Spoken section. Anthropic just landed $65 billion and Claude Opus 4.8 is shipping with serious reasoning upgrades, while NVIDIA's building the physical AI backbone factories actually need. I'm your host on Architect Ledger TV. Here's what every IT professional needs to know. Let's go. Anthropic Claude Opus 4.8 reasoning breakthrough. Anthropic shipped Claude Opus 4.8 with measurably stronger reasoning chops. Better at complex multi-step problem solving and code generation at scale. Grab the API docs on console.anthropic.com and test extended thinking mode yourself. Compare latency and token efficiency against your current deployment. Reasoning depth costs tokens. Model it. If you're running production Claude workflows, benchmark Opus 4.8 on your actual workloads before swapping. Reasoning improvements don't help if inference cost doubles. Anthropic closes $65 billion Series H funding round. Anthropic hit $965 billion valuation after closing a historic $65 billion Series H. More cash than most software companies see in a decade. This capital lands in infrastructure, research, and model training cycles. If you're evaluating LLM vendors long-term, capitalization matters. Anthropic now has runway to outlast market cycles. Check their blog for partner program expansion and enterprise SLA details. Funding velocity signals stability. Factor that into your architecture decisions. KPMG and Anthropic form Global Tax and PE Alliance. KPMG and Anthropic partnered to embed Claude across tax advisory, private equity workflows, and deal analysis. Combining domain expertise with reasoning-grade AI. KPMG clients gain access. If your firm uses KPMG advisory or handles PE work, flag this with your engagement manager. Expect Claude-powered due diligence workflows and tax optimization agents rolling into deals over the next 2 quarters. Understand what data flows to Anthropic models. Compliance and data residency matter here. NVIDIA Cosmos 3 Physical AI Reasoning Engine. NVIDIA released Cosmos 3, a visual foundation model that reasons about physics before robotic systems act. No more blind actuator commands. Download Cosmos from NVIDIA NGC and test it on your robotic simulation stack if you're in manufacturing or logistics. It ingests video, predicts outcomes, plans action sequences. If you're architecting autonomous systems, this cuts your trial and error costs dramatically. Pre-reasoning reduces real-world failures and sensor costs. Model it into your CapEx math. NVIDIA AI Cloud Ecosystem Global Expansion. NVIDIA's AI cloud partner ecosystem is scaling globally. Data centers, inference clusters, and managed GPU capacity across regions expanding to meet agentic AI demand. Check nvidia.com/cloud for regional availability near your deployment footprint. If you're building agent-heavy workloads, multi-step reasoning, tool calling, long context retrieval, colocating compute and vector stores in NVIDIA Cloud cuts latency. Sovereign AI labs and enterprises are consolidating on NVIDIA infrastructure. Your networking and storage assumptions may need revision. NVIDIA Factory Operations Blueprint for Plant-Wide AI. NVIDIA announced the Factory Operations Blueprint at Computex Taipei, a unified AI control plane connecting machine signals, quality systems, work instructions, and alerts into one decision layer for manufacturing plants. Grab the white paper from nvidia.com/industrial. It maps data flows from OT to AI inference to action feedback. If you're modernizing factory IT or integrating legacy machinery with AI, this blueprint cuts architecture time. It's not vendor lock. It's a reference topology. Use it to pressure test your current plant network design. Anthropic Opus 4.8 and $65 billion milestone reshape AI competitive landscape. Anthropic scale is now peer to OpenAI on capitalization alone. Opus 4.8's reasoning and $65 billion runway signal sustained R&D pace. Enterprise contract renewals hinge on stability and feature velocity. Review your current OpenAI, Google Vertex, or mixed vendor strategy. If Anthropic fits your compliance or reasoning needs better, negotiate multi-year pricing. Vendor consolidation saves operational overhead. Timing matters. Anthropic is aggressive on enterprise terms right now. Physical AI, cloud scale, and enterprise workload convergence. NVIDIA's Cosmos 3, Factory Operations Blueprint, and AI Cloud Expansion converge on one thesis. Physical world AI systems now scale like cloud workloads. Robotics, manufacturing, logistics, and autonomous systems are production workloads, not experiments. If you're CTO or architect for industrial clients, your infrastructure decision now covers GPU, inference, simulation, and real-time feedback loops as one stack. This isn't IT ops plus factory ops. It's one unified cloud-to-edge architecture. Start thinking that way now. Grab the NVIDIA Factory Operations Blueprint whitepaper. 30 minutes, technical architecture. From NVIDIA.com. Then run the Anthropic prompt caching guide on console.anthropic.com. 10-minute read. Massive cost savings for agentic workflows. Both directly applicable this week. That's this week on Architect Ledger TV. Subscribe for breadth across AI company moves and enterprise deployments. What's your biggest architectural blocker right now? Inference cost, reasoning latency, or real-time physical system integration? Drop it in the comments and spoken section.